I've got a 2016 Toyota Sequoia mouse problem. So to get to it, I have to remove this cowl cover and put a wire mesh in the opening there, the vent opening. There's a couple clips to take out. That was one right there. Just pop that off. And another one on this side. You have to take the windshield wipers off, 2 nuts, and that pulls right off. So pull this cowl cover off, and that's where they came in, right there to the intake. I had to take the blower off. Pop this little tray that comes off and pull the filter out. And on top of the filter, hopefully there was no nest in yours. There wasn't in mine. But they were about to make a nest. And lots of droppings. Nasty. So cleaning up the blower motor. That's where it ended up. So there it is, glued in. Not the prettiest, but it'll keep them from going in. But there's a channel in there that they can get into right there, so I'll probably plug that one and this one and that one over there and that one. I'll go ahead and plug them so they can't build a nest in this channel. Alright, here it is. I blocked all these entrances, so hopefully that holds up for a little while. Got that side all the way over in that corner, so I shouldn't be able to build any nest in between that. Doesn't look the prettiest.